Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, Charlotte Lynn is my name and my channel is about relationship and lifestyle. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about self-maintenance in relationships. So let's get right into this video. So now the reason why I chose this topic is to explain what self-maintenance is and one way to do it. All right, so let us get into the definition. Self-maintenance means your ability to take care of certain aspects of your life whilst being in a relationship. And so that is the meaning of self-maintenance in a relationship. So now someone will ask that, why is this important? Now the reason why this is very important is so that you do not lose your self-value whilst being in the relationship. And losing your self-value means losing your self-importance, because imagine you being in a relationship, you don't take care of your health, now you have a lot of health issues, you don't take care of your physical nature, and now you have problem. At the end of the day, you are going to lose self-respect in the sight of your partner. And so self-maintenance is very important so that you do not lose your value or your importance in the sight of your partner. Okay, and so now I want to give one way of maintaining yourself. Now, one of the best ways of maintaining yourself in a relationship is creating a weekly schedule. Yes, now let me tell you all something. Creating schedules help you to become an organized person, meaning that you are able to do important things at the right time, and you're also able to achieve your goal in a short period of time. So if you want to practice self-maintenance, then you must be able to do things at the right time and also achieve your goals in a short period of time. And the more you do this, the more your partner sees you to be a very serious person and also someone that he can create a future family with. Because sometimes people delay in marriage because they do not know if their partner fits in their family picture. Okay, and so if you want to learn how to maintain yourself properly, then please learn how to create weekly schedules to fit in your activities. All right, and so thank you all so much for watching, darlings, and please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to also give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and also turn on your post notification button so that each and every single time that I post, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you all, darlings, and see you all next time.